led by the royal family. The royal ploughing ceremony in Cambodia is a ritual agricultural festival held to mark the traditional beginning of the rice growing season in Cambodia. It takes place in early May in front of the National Museum near the Royal Place in Phnom Penh, and the royal oxens are said to have a nose for whether it will be a good harvest or a bad one. This ritual ceremony is believed to be happens since Angkor period and still practiced until nowadays in Cambodia.
Thanks for watching.